How to remove camera audio from Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a camera audio from Instagram Reels. So without any further ado and delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to remove camera audio from Instagram Reels, because maybe you're trying to add an own music or another music from within Instagram. So if we tap the plus icon here, we go to Reels tab, and then let's say I select a certain video over here. Once I've selected a certain video, I want to completely mute the video from here, and then I want to use the audio from the external or from the library. So what we're going to do is, once we're here, you can see a list of toolbars. Just swipe right and tap on this edit or filter like icon right here you can see. So when you tap on this little icon, you'll have the option to customize the clip audio. Now you want to simply drag the slider and set this to 0 value. When you've done that, tap the done button and then tap on this little arrow icon again, and you've successfully muted the audio for that particular reel of your camera roll video. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.